Welcome to Pipz and Bitz, where charts talk and coins move. Today we're diving into a silent signal that could be flashing green for Bitcoin. Because when markets get quiet, smart money listens. Let's talk about the hidden signs that the next Bitcoin boom might be closer than it looks. Bitcoin is calm, but beneath the surface it's coiling like a spring. The 30-day Bitcoin volatility index has dropped to 40.84. That's the lowest we've seen since September 2023. And if history repeats, that could be major. Last time volatility got this low, Bitcoin launched 50% higher, jumping from $26,000 to new highs. So, what does this calm really mean? First, on volatility this low is rare. It's only dropped below 45. Just 21 times in the last 149 weeks, and every time it led to accumulation, consolidation, or explosive upside moves. Right now, Bitcoin's price hovers around $115,000, but it's not moving much, and that's the point. Because during these quiet stretches, whales and institutions tend to load up. They don't chase green candles, they buy when the market sleeps. Glassnode and Ecoinometrics are showing something big. Bitcoin's realized volatility is now in the 10th percentile of the past 10 years. That's incredibly low, and it suggests a shift in how Bitcoin behaves. It might be maturing, becoming a lower volatility asset, one that offers big returns without wild swings, and that's exactly what big money wants. But this isn't just technical, it's also on-chain short-term holders. People who bought Bitcoin in the last 3 to 6 months are showing strong hands. They're down around 8%, but they're not panicking, they're holding tight. Historically, that 8% zone has been a launch pad, not a crash point. The MVRV ratio backs this up. It's sitting at 1.19. That's down from the cycle high of 1.33. So what does it mean? Less greed, less hype, and a lot more patience. People aren't cashing out. They're sitting still, waiting for a bigger move. Cost basis data tells the same story. BTC is being accumulated between 110K and 117K. Buyers are stepping in on dips, and others are buying at the highs. That creates what analysts call a staircase cost structure. It's a bullish pattern, built by conviction, not emotion. Meanwhile, short-term supply is rising, up by 227,000 BTC, now totaling 4.58 million BTC. That means fresh demand, or long-term holders rotating into short-term action. Either way, liquidity is flowing, and Bitcoin is getting ready. So where does all this leave us? If the past is a guide, periods like this rarely last long. Low volatility almost always gives way to a big move. The only question is, will you be ready when it comes? If you found this breakdown helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Pipz and Bitz, where charts talk and coins move.